If you are a black woman and your holiday makeup has ever looked ashy, dull, or do not pop in videos, then this video is for you. In today's video, I am sharing the top 5 must-have makeup products every black woman needs to slay Christmas, New Year, and this festive period. Let's glow properly. Trust me, these will change your holiday glam. Let's dive into this video. Hey beautiful people, hey my lovelies, hey my queens, hey my darlings, Merry Christmas, Happy Holiday, Happy New Year in advance. My name is Mamus Ate and you're welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I create makeup videos, makeup tutorial, beauty tutorials, okay, for black women, dark skin women, for mature skin. If that sounds like you, please subscribe, like this video, share this video, and let's dive into it. For you to have that beautiful flawless makeup look, always make sure that your skin prep is perfect, okay? Nothing beats a beautiful skin prep. Your skin prep is everything that matters when it comes to flawless makeup and flawless foundation, okay? I'm done with my skin prep and I also went in with this Mario Badescu's setting mist. I apply the setting mist, Mario Badescu setting mist, evenly on my skin, and I'll wait for that to dry before I proceed to the next step. For a foundation to sit properly, you need primer, and we have different types of primer. We have mattifying primer, we have blurring primer, we have mattifying primer, we have silicone primer, and we have hydrating primer. So all of this primer depends on your skin type. What's your skin type? Let me know in the comment section and I will advise on the primer that you need to use. It's holiday season. We'll be having lots of bookings, lots of engagement. We are outside. We go outside, okay? So therefore, for a long-lasting makeup, it's important that you know your skin type. That will help you to know the primer to apply. For me, I have a oily skin, so I am going in with a mattifying primer. Elf Hydro Grip Primer, and I love how it just grip your makeup, okay? I love how when you apply your foundation, it stick on, it's easy to blend, it's easy to move around, okay? This is one primer to have. It's a must have. Holiday makeup starts with skin. If your foundation is wrong, nothing else will save your makeup, okay? I'll say that again. Holiday makeup starts with skin. If your foundation is wrong, like if your foundation is wrong, nothing else is going to save your makeup, because for a flawless makeup, you need your foundation to be well blended and to be your perfect skin match. For foundation, I like to use a foundation brush, either a flat brush or a round foundation brush, to first of all place all of the foundation product on my skin, on one part of my face, and I gently just blend to the other part of my face, okay? It is okay to build on your foundation, and these two foundation is Fenty Beauty and Charlotte Tilbury foundation. So part I applied foundation on and part I did not apply foundation. This part I don't have foundation on it, this part I have foundation on it. You can see that nothing beats a skin match foundation. Blend, 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 and make sure you avoid gray or orange undertone. Choose foundation with golden, red, or neutral undertone, okay? And then you can build your foundation from medium to full coverage. Work best for festive period, okay? Because you may sweat a lot. So I just gradually build from the middle of the face to the forehead, you know. Dab, 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 blending is key. Avoid gray or orange undertone foundations, okay? Avoid it. Remember to choose foundation that has red, golden, or neutral undertone, okay? And this too is one of my favorites, the Fenty Beauty foundation and the Charlotte Tilbury foundation. Not every highlighter loves dark skin, especially during festive period, okay? Not every highlighter loves dark skin. So highlighter can be skipped, but trust me, you want it because you want to glow from anywhere that you are this holiday period. You can see how just one tap, and this highlighter is from the Fenty Beauty. It's a new collection that I have. It's 2-in-1, and then next girl next door chic parade 2-in-1 highlighter. Best tones highlighter for dark skin is gold, bronze, and champagne gold. Okay, I'll say that again: gold, bronze, and champagne gold. These are 3 best shades of highlighter for every dark skin and black women of colors. So eyeshadow look, your eyeshadow primer is very important. Irrespective of the look you are trying to create, make sure that you apply an eyeshadow primer and you blend that properly. Okay, blend it, apply on your eyelid, and then blend it. One good eyeshadow palette can give you multiple holiday look. Okay, just one good eyeshadow palette can give you multiple holiday look. And now I love this honey brown eyeshadow because it has all shades of brown. So guys, your holiday makeup is incomplete without a bold or beautiful lip. And most of the beautiful shade of lipstick is red, classic red, burgundy, or even a brown lip. It's perfect for your holiday makeup. Always use a dark lip liner. It makes every lipstick to look better on a dark skin, okay? If you are confused of what lip to do on this holiday season, guys, just go for a bold lip and you are good to go. And guys, if you are confused of what makeup to wear this period, just let your lips be the star. Okay, these are some of the must-have setting spray you need for a long-lasting makeup, from church activities to outdoor activities to parties to day to night makeup. These are some of the very important setting spray you need to go to. And I will be applying this airbrush setting spray, which is the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush flawless setting spray, matte, blur, mattify, smooth, set all day. You need to also know why your setting spray matters in your makeup application. The first reason is that it prevents melting of your makeup, okay? Prevents your makeup from melting. Second reason is that it controls shine. All those overly shiny face you see out there, the setting spray helps you to control all of that. And it also helps to keep your makeup fresh in photos, because this festive period, this holiday, you'll be snapping a lot of pictures, either indoor or outdoor. Okay, so these are some of the things that matters, and these are some of the reasons why you need a setting spray. Okay, and always remember to shake it first before you spray in X and T motion, and then do not touch your face, allow it to dry. You can then go in with your damp beauty blender to press gently on your face, let it dry naturally, and this just locks in every of your makeup products applied on your skin, takes off all the powder effects, and then it also helps to refresh your makeup. Bonus tip, guys: less is more, blend properly, do not overbake, and always remember to moisturize your skin before makeup. Ready? Healthy skin make holiday glam effortless. Okay, very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you all. Thank you for working with me. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for watching my ads. Thank you for everything. I appreciate it. Thanks for all the lovely comments on my channel. God bless you. This girl, Baby Mamus, is extremely grateful and happy. I want to say Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year 2026 to you. Thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you get a notification every time I drop juicy video. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, smile often, and bye, guys. Happy prosperous New Year. We're gonna pop.